Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering whether Reaper or Ardour is better, let's break it down so you can decide which DAW fits your workflow. Starting with Reaper, it's known for being extremely lightweight, fast and versatile. You can run it on almost any computer without slowing down your system. Reaper offers full customization, meaning you can tailor the interface, shortcuts, and even scripting to match your workflow. It supports a huge range of VST plugins, MyRide device, and audio formats, which makes it ideal for both recording and mixing. The one-time purchase cost is very affordable, and you get up to free updates for a long period, which is great if you're on a budget. On the other hand, Ardour is an open source DAW that's completely free to try, and it's designed for professional audio recording and mixing. It has strong multi-track recording capabilities, flexible routing, and powerful editing tools. Ardour also integrates well with Linux systems, which is a big plus if you prefer open source platforms. However, it can feel a little bit less polished than Reaper, and some users find the learning curve slightly steeper, especially if you're used to mainstream DAWs. When it comes to stability and performance, Reaper often takes the lead because it's optimized for all platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Ardour is solid but can be more secure heavy, depending on your setup. For plugins and third-party support, Reaper has an edge. Virtually every VST works seamlessly, while Ardour sometimes require extra steps. In conclusion, if you want a lightweight, highly customizable, and affordable DAW, Reaper is probably the better choice. If you prefer open source software with strong multi-track recording capabilities and Linux support, Ardour might be your pick. Ultimately, both are powerful tools. It just comes down to your budget, platform, and workflow preferences. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.